Hello guys, today I will be showing you
How to use sleep mode on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So you want to turn on sleep mode. Sleep mode, or let's just say digital well-being or bedtime mode, helps you reduce distractions at night. You just have to go to your settings, and then this time you have to scroll down and look for digital well-being and parental controls. You have to tap this one right here. Now, if you can see that bedtime, or let's just say sleep mode on your Android, then you just have to toggle that one on. But in my Android, I have to go to digital well-being, click bedtime mode, and then it may be listed as sleep mode on some Android versions. Now, once you tap this one, then you can now set a schedule. So you can read the following here, and then after that, tap on next. Here you can choose to start and end time for when sleep mode should activate or bedtime mode should activate. You could also customize options. For example, you can turn on grayscale, enable do not disturb, and keep the screen dark with minimal interruptions. So basically, this is what it looks like. Now, once done, tap on allow. And then after that, you just have to simply turn on your bedtime mode. So basically, that's how easy it is to turn on or enable this sleep mode or use the sleep mode or bedtime mode on Android. Now you can pull down the quick settings panel. Just swipe from the top of the screen, look for a tile called bedtime mode or sleep mode, tap it to manually toggle on or off. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.